Dear students, today topic is trigonometric ratios objective. Until yesterday we have completed the trigonometric ratios topic. Not only trigonometric ratios up to transformation we have finished each and every sum, theory and concept and every sum, everything based on the trigonometric basic concepts. Full-fledged concepts and sums we have discussed. Now today we are discussing trigonometric ratios objective according to our material. First of all, we should discuss some synopsis. First, put side heading synopsis. Synopsis means formula. Coming. If a plus b is equal to 90 degrees, these are the useful formula. You write in your notebook. If a plus b is equal to 90 degrees, then sin square a plus sin square b is equal to 1. If a plus b is equal to 90 degrees, then sin square a plus sin square b is equal to 1. In the similar way, cos square a plus cos square b is equal to 1, and tan a into tan b is equal to 1. Tan a into tan b equal to 1, and cot a into cot b is equal to 1. If a plus b equal to 90 degrees, then example I am saying if a plus b is equal to 90, b is equal to 90 minus a, instead of sin square b you can substitute sin square 90 minus a, sin 90 minus theta becomes cos theta, so it is cos square a, sin square a plus cos square a becomes 1. In the similar way, everything you can understand. Cos square a plus cos square b equal to 1, tan a into tan b equal to 1, cot a into cot b is equal to also 1. Next one, this is the first point. Next one, in our trigonometry, one meaning, one simple one meaning, it is 1 radian. It is 1 radian. First starting I said hexadecimal system, centesimal system and radian system. So radian, 1 radian means here pi by 180 degrees. Pi by 180 degrees, its approximate value is equal to 0.01745. By calculation of pi by 180 we will get the value 0.0175, and 1 radian can be, one meaning here 1 radian. 1 radian you can understand 57 degrees 16 minutes. 1 radian means 57 degrees 16 minutes. So example, sine 1 degree and sine 1, they will ask which is great, sine 1 degree and sine 1. So what is the value of greatest value among sine 1 and sine 1 degree? 1 degree can be approximately, here you can understand 1 degree can be, say that approximately equal to 0 degree. So you can understand 0 point something like this, maybe this value is 0. Here sine 1 meaning sine 57 degrees 16 minutes. Sine 57 degrees 16 minutes. So 57 degrees 16 minutes approximately you can write as 60 degrees. This is unknown value, this is known value for trigonometric relation. So sine 60 you can say that it is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 you can understand 0.866, because root 3 value 1.732. 1.732 by 2 becomes 0.866. So 0 less than 0.866. Whenever he gives sine 1 degree is greater sine 1, or in the similar way cos 1 or cos 1 degree, in the similar way secant 2 or secant 2 degree. Every time you can understand that 1 meaning, simply 1 meaning 1 radian, it is not degree. That is why we should mention example sine 90. We should not say, we should not pronounce the word sine 90 degrees. We should not pronounce sine 180 degrees. If we pronounce sine 90 meaning sine 90 radians, we should not pronounce simply sine 90 or sine 60. Sine 60, it is not correct, sine 60 degrees. If you are pronouncing sine 60, it meaning sine 60 radians. So 1 radian is equal like this. So 0 less than 0.866. Then you can understand here sine 1 degree less than sine 1. Now next one, the useful synopsis are there for any series A, B, C. If A, B, C are 3 terms, if they are AB or GP or HP. The formula is AM greater than or equal to G. Do you have idea? You don't have idea. AM greater than or equal to G. Example 2 comma like this 2 comma 4 comma 6 we take. Example I am discussing. Example 2 comma 4 comma 8 it is better to take GP. So what is G? They are GP 2, 4, 8. So 2, 4, 8 are GP. 4 square is equal to 2 into 8. 16 equal to 16. Do you know the condition B square is equal to AC? 16 equal to 16. They are GP. So GP, GM you can say GM in geometric mean between the two terms. If 2 comma 4 comma 8 are in GP, GM is 4. So what is AM? AM meaning is nothing but total components by number of components. Total components 2 plus 4 plus 8 by 3 here. 2 plus 4, how much the value? 2 plus 4 plus 8. What is the value of 2 plus 4 plus 8? Fourteen by 3. 4 point 14 by 3. How much? 4 point how much? Approximately is 4.6 sir. 4.6 is greater than 4. 4.6 is greater than 4. That is not only these two numbers, you take any number. The relation is AM greater than equal to GM. Sir, whenever it is equal, sir, 1, 1, 1 you take, 2, 2, 2, like this. So 1, 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 into 1, 1 into 1 like that. So 1 plus 1 by 3 gives 1 square equal to 1 into 1. So in that case, in particular equal case, you can say is equal to also. So always AM greater than equal to GM. Using this AM greater than equal to GM, let us discuss the fourth formula x plus 1 by x. So minimum value of x plus 1 by x. Minimum value of x plus 1 by x. How we can take x 1 by x are 2 terms. One term and one reciprocal. If you are unable to see this one, sit here. Okay, no problem. X plus 1 by x. So what is the arithmetic mean between two terms? Here you can understand x plus 1 by x whole by 2 because two terms. We are applying the concept AM greater than or equal to 0. Square root of here square root of, because what is square root? Geometric mean is square. X into 1 by x. X and 1 by x get cancelled. So x plus 1 by x greater than or equal to 2 because this is root 1. This is the. So what is the minimum value here? Minimum value of x plus 1 by x equal to 2. Did you do level 2? This one, ratio. Okay. I'll discuss after completion of synapse level 2 trigonometric ratios first time. Do you have this idea? One. Using this one, find an example and find the minimum value of a tan x plus b cot x. Find the minimum value of a tan x plus b cot x. Use AM greater than or equal to 0. A tan x and b cot x are two terms. We can write here a tan x plus b cot x whole by 2 greater than or equal to root of AB tan x into cot x. Of course, A tan x into B cot x. Did you remember that this value is 1? Tan x into cot x equal to 1. So that implies A tan x plus B cot x greater than or equal to 2. So minimum value of A tan x plus B cot x equal to 2 root A, not simple. 2 root A. This is 2 root A. Now already we have discussed this question in the object in IP. You have discussed this formula. If A sin theta plus, this is useful formula. If A sin theta plus B cos theta is equal to C, then if A sin theta plus B cos theta equal to C, then what is the value of A cos theta plus B sin theta? What is the value of A cos theta plus B sin theta? Let this is K. Let A cos theta plus B sin theta is equal to K. We need to calculate this one. Let this is first equation and this is second. Now write like this: 1 square plus 2 square. So you can understand this is A sin square theta plus B A cos, not A square sin square theta plus B square cos square theta plus 2AB sin theta cos theta is equal to C square. Next one, 1 square plus 2 square I am discussing with you. So next one you should write A square cos square theta. A square cos square theta plus B square sin square theta plus 2AB into, maybe this is A cos theta minus B sin theta. We have textbook IP. A sin theta plus B cos theta. If A sin theta plus B cos theta is equal to C, then find the value of A cos theta. A cos theta plus B sin theta equal to C, then A sin theta minus B cos theta equal to K. Okay. Minus, then here it becomes minus 2AB sin theta cos theta is equal to K square. Now 1 square minus 2 square, 1 square plus 2 square, not already I said 1 square plus 2 square. A square sin square theta plus A square cos square theta becomes K square. This becomes A square because sin square plus cos square 1, cos square plus sin square 1, this will be getting cancelled. Next we can say A square plus B square is equal to C square plus K square. Therefore you can understand K square is equal to A square plus B square minus C square. K is equal to plus or minus over root of A square plus C square minus B square. I say this one as a formula. We should use the formula of A. Of course, not only this one. If A sin theta plus B cos theta is given as C, then you can say A cos theta minus B sin theta is also in the form of root of A square plus B square minus C square. Secant square plus cosecant square cos theta minus cos. Two synapses are there. Seventh one. secant square theta plus cosecant square theta. Secant square theta plus cosecant square theta. This is a variety synopsis. It becomes into secant square theta plus cosecant square theta is equal to secant square theta into cosecant square theta. Secant square theta plus cosecant square theta is equal to secant square theta into cosecant square theta. How can it possible? Let us write like this. Secant square theta can be understood as 1 by cos square. 1 by cos theta plus sin cosecant square theta can be understood as 1 by sin square theta. Take LCM. So LCM you will get as like this: cos square theta into sin square theta. This on this side, this on this side. So sin square theta plus cos square theta. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta can be understood as 1 by sin square theta plus cos square theta formula 1. So 1 by cos square theta into sin square theta. You can separately write 1 into 1 concept. Write like this: 1 by cos square theta into 1 by sin square theta. 1 by cos square meaning secant square theta into 1 by cosine. 1 by sin square meaning cosecant square theta. This will be useful in secondary integration also. Most IMP with secant square theta plus cosecant square theta. Next synopsis: cot square theta minus cos square theta. 8 1. Cot square theta minus cos square theta is equal to cot square theta into cos square theta. Cot square theta minus cos square theta is equal to cot square theta into cos theta. Is it possible? Write like this: cos square theta by sin square theta. It can be understood as cot square theta. Take cos square theta common. Write like this: 1 by sin square theta minus 1. That is equal to cos square theta into cosecant square theta minus 1. That is equal to cos square theta into, we should know that the formula cosecant square theta minus 1 equal to cot square theta. 9th one. In the similar way, you start with tan square theta minus sin square theta. Tan square theta minus sin square theta is equal to tan square theta into sin square theta. You can understand tan square theta as sin square theta by cos square theta minus this is sin square theta. That is equal to sin square theta, take common, 1 by cos square theta minus 1. That is equal to sin square theta into 1 by cos square theta can be understood as secant square theta minus 1. Sin square theta into secant square theta minus 1 formula tan square theta. Girl, you start notes now. Level 2. Did you do? Then start now. Otherwise, simply, girl, turn the book back side, you write level 2. Level 1, do yourself. Did you do work? Level 1, homework. Over. Next, regarding this chapter, some shortcuts I want to discuss. If you face problem sin theta cos theta, if you face The problems regarding sin theta comma cos theta, put theta is equal to 0 degrees or 90 degrees. Theta is equal to 0 degrees or 90 degrees according to sum and break. According to given sum. Why? If 1 by cos theta is there, you should not apply 0, 90, because 1 by 0 becomes 1 by infinity. Infinity should not get. That is why according to sum. Maximum 0 and 90 satisfies. In if all other cases, tan theta, if tan theta comma cot theta, if tan theta comma cot theta comma secant theta comma cosecant theta, put theta is equal to 45. Maximum sums you will get answers. Whenever theta equal to 45, you are substituting, there is no question of infinity. That is why tan is in so many cases a tan and a cot side by side they do. So tan 90 infinity, cot 0 infinity. Infinity, we don't put 0. For secant and cosecant also infinity case is there, because secant 0 infinity and cosecant 0 infinity, secant 90 infinity. That is why don't write. Now let us start level 2 classwork. Students, I handle level 2 classwork, level 3. So the work you should do that level 1 classwork, level 1 homework and level 2 homework. Understood? Level 1 classwork, level 1 homework, level 2 homework, that is your end. Level 2 classwork, level 3 I have. Level 2 homework, if you are unable to do, you can ask me doubts. Like study or if you handle. What is the page number, girl? Level 2 classwork. Level 2, I think you in your book module 2 there is. Okay, module 2, page number 9, yes. First question is if you are able to do, you start. Students, first question, girl, you see, Mr. Abdullah, if theta is not in 4th quadrant, that is first question or not? If theta is not in page number 9, open it. Question changed in our material and your material. If theta is not in 4th quadrant, no it. So you read the question. F of x x square minus 3x plus 5. Then f of sin 3 by 2 plus f of cos 3 by 2. Okay. If f of x is equal to, if f of x is equal to x cube, if f of x is equal to x cube minus 3x plus 5, then f of, you have to find a value f of sin 3 pi by 2 plus f of cos 3 pi by 2. Here everyone should remember the formula of L-odd angles. What is the value of sin 3 by p2? Sin 270, sin 180 plus 90 minus sin 90 minus 1. Understood? So now you should substitute f of minus 1 plus. You remember the value, odd multiple of cos 90 is always 0. No need to calculate. Odd multiple of cos 90. Pi by 2, 90. 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2, 9 pi by 2, 11 pi by 2. No need to calculate. Simply blind you put 0. Because it is 0 rule. So f of minus 1 plus f of 0. F of minus 1 meaning you have to substitute the minus 1 value here. Minus 1 whole cube becomes minus 1. Minus 3 into minus 1 becomes plus 3 here. This is plus 5 and f of 0 you are substituting 0 here, 0 minus 0 plus 5 it is 5. So calculate the value. This is 12. Read second question. Maybe our material change. If tan theta comma 2 tan theta, that only Abdullah. Tan theta comma 2 tan theta plus 2. You sit here. Put in the middle. And see. If tan theta plus read tan theta comma. Good. Second, leave third question for your note. Not simple tan theta comma, okay, enough. tan theta comma 2 tan theta plus 2 comma 3 tan theta plus 3. Tan theta comma 2 tan theta plus 2 comma 3 tan theta plus 3 are GP or AP?
R in GP, then value of
Theta.
7 minus 5 cos theta.
Value of 7 minus 5 cot theta whole by root of
9 minus 4 root.
9 minus 4th root 4 root of secant square theta minus 1. Okay. You no need to write question. Simply, if you have material, okay, write no problem. If tan theta plus tan theta comma 2 tan theta plus 2 comma 3 tan theta plus 3 are in GP, then what is the value of this one? Condition you write. Condition I am making you to remember that B square is equal to AC. Why? Because if A, B, C are in GP, then B square is equal to AC. Here A meaning this is the first term, B meaning the second term, and C meaning the third term. So apply here B square is equal to AC. You can take common 2 and like this you can write 2 into like this. 2 into tan theta plus 1 whole square. Of course 2 tan theta plus 2 whole square is equal to AC. So tan theta into 3 taken common, you can write this one also tan theta plus 1. That implies 4 into, now you can understand 4 tan square theta plus 4 tan theta plus 4 is equal to 3 tan square theta plus 3. Better to take tan theta common only, then 3 into tan theta plus 1 okay. Oh, nothing will be happen. Right, 3 tan square theta. Otherwise we can do one thing, tan theta plus 1 get cancelled. Okay, two cases will write. 3, what is happening? 3 tan square theta plus 3 tan. 3 tan square theta plus 3 tan. This term taken that side. Here this is not 4 tan, I think. 2 yes, correct. This is not 4 2 square. Yeah. Now 4 tan square theta minus 3 tan square. Students, this is a square plus 2ab plus b square. No, 2 tan theta. Here 2 square meaning 4 to the 8 tan. 8 tan. You could not understand. 2 you do 2 tan theta plus 2 whole square related, apply the a plus b whole square formula. 2 tan theta plus 2 whole square related directly. Now what is happening? 4 tan square theta minus 3 tan square theta can be written as tan square theta plus 5 tan theta. Tan square theta plus 5 tan theta plus 4 equal to 0. Tan square theta plus 5 tan theta plus 4 equal to 0. So by splitting the middle term or factorization, you can get here tan theta is equal to minus 1 comma tan theta is equal to minus 4 by splitting the middle term. So if tan theta is equal to minus 1, what will happen? Here students observe the point here. If tan theta is equal to minus 1, what is A? This is minus 1. What is B? Minus 2 plus 2, 0. What is C? Minus 3 plus 3, 0. Minus 1 comma 0 comma 0. Just in rough calculation. Minus 1 comma 0 comma 0. What is the condition of GP? B square is equal to AC. 0 is equal to 0 square equal to minus 1 into 0. It is okay. But GP condition, another condition is also there. T2 by T1 is equal to T3 by T2. Did you remember? T2 by T1. T2 by T1 equal to T3 by T2. T2 means second term. I think the same condition you might have learned in 10th class. So 0 by minus 1 becomes 0. 0 by anything. Next you are getting 0 by 0. 0 by 0 is called as indeterminate form. 0 by 0, 0 power of 0. Like these are all wrong calculations. If any student or any staff member asks you that 0 power 0 value or 0 by 0 value, he is bluffing you. It is absolutely wrong. 0 power 0, it is indefinite form. 0 by 0, it is indefinite form. It is absolutely wrong. 0 by 0 should not. So, what is happening? Tan theta equal to minus 1, you should not consider. Tan theta equal to minus 4 only, you have to calculate and apply. Tan theta is equal to minus 4, you should calculate. Now, 7 minus 5 cot theta. 7 minus 5 cot theta by 9 minus 4 into tan theta. Secant square the minus 1 over meaning tan theta only. That is equal to 7 minus 5 into minus 1 by 4. Why? Because if tan theta is equal to minus 4, cot theta equal to 1. Reciprocal. And 9 minus this is 4 into 4, because this is root of, it becomes positive, not direct tan theta, it becomes positive modulus input. Now what will happen? 4 7 are 28, 28 plus 5 by 4 into 9 minus 16, minus 7. See the answer, minus 3 by 33 by 28 is there, minus 3 by minus 33 by 28. You might have reached it. I think here also you could not understand. Good. How much you got? 100 is not possible because you have taken minus 4. I am discussing that modulus value. Root of, like this you should write direct, you should not take tan theta. Root of secant square minus 4. That all I am saying modulus tan theta you put, but square positive square to calculate. You do one thing. What becomes secant square theta? Good. Here root of secant square theta minus 1. Directly I had written tan theta. Root of secant square theta minus 1 becomes plus tan theta or minus 10. Two cases are there. Plus I have taken because here you have to substitute the value. So tan theta is equal to minus 4, secant square theta becomes root of 1 plus tan square theta concept. Root of 1 plus of minus 4 whole square. It becoming positive. Say next question, fourth one. Fourth or third? Abdullah, you say, because your material and our material is different. Same question, students. In triangle ABC,
equal 90.
this is fourth. In your material, third question. In triangle ABC,
Angle equal 90.
angle B, P,
C.
C. Angle C is equal to 90 degrees.
Then the equation
Okay.
roots of tan and tan.
Good question. Put a star mark. This is IMP MSET question, not mains. This is IMP MSET question. Whose roots are tan A comma tan B? Whose roots are tan A comma tan B? Whose roots are tan A comma tan B? Draw a right angle triangle and put here capital C, put here capital A and capital B. Students, this is 90 degrees. We know that in any triangle, sum of the angles in any triangle equal to how many degrees? 180 degrees. If an angle is 90 perfectly, then sum of the other two angles becomes 90. Sum of, because 180 minus 90 gives 90. So this one and this one 90. You don't put 45, 45. Simply I am discussing 90. That's all. Sum is 90. So write like this. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 90. So I said that today formula I said tan A into tan B equal to 1. Today in synopsis we have discussed that whenever A plus B plus C is equal to 90, then tan A into tan B is equal to 1. Now he is asking QE. QE meaning quadratic equation. He is asking equation means with two roots, meaning is quadratic equation. Quadratic equation with roots tan A comma tan B. Do you remember the formula x square minus x into alpha plus alpha beta equal to 0? You don't know. If alpha comma beta are two roots of a quadratic equation, then preparation of quadratic equation is x square minus x into sum of roots plus the product of roots. That one I am discussing alpha plus beta meaning sum of alpha into beta meaning product. X okay, right? In your way only. X square minus x into sum of roots. X square minus x into sum of roots plus product of roots equal to 0. So x square minus x into x square minus x into sum of roots meaning tan A plus tan B. This is sum of roots plus product of roots you can write as tan A into tan B equal to 0. That implies x square minus x into tan A plus tan B. You can understand, students, according to our triangle theory, whatever the side opposite to capital A is small. Whatever the side opposite capital B is small. Whatever the side opposite capital C is small. Regarding this triangle, tan A is equal to, we know that tan A equal to opposite side by adjacent side. What is opposite here for A? It is A and A by B. In the similar concept, you can understand tan B is equal to B by A. Apply here. X square tan A meaning A by B plus tan B meaning B by A plus tan A tan B direct I said 1 equal to 0. Now x square minus x into take an LCM here, it becomes a square plus b square by ab plus 1 equal to 0. According to right angle triangle Pythagoras mathematician concept, what becomes a square plus b square according to Pythagoras theorem? This square plus this square equal to this square. Square of the equal equal to some other squares of other two sets. Then you can say that a square plus b square equal to c square. Apply here c square. Next step, you can write x square minus c square by ab plus 1 equal to 0. And take LCM here. ab into x square. ab into x I did not get. C square into x. ab into x square minus c square into x plus ab equal to 0. This option is there.
Negative.
ab into x square minus c square x plus ab equal to 0. Shortcut is also there for this. No need to say this much. See, shortcut. What is the shortcut? Do you know product of roots formula? C by A. AB by AB. See the option. AB by AB becomes 1. So whenever it becomes 1, A plus B is equal to 90. See how many options are there? Plus AB. Here AB plus AB. Two options are there. Two options are there. Then sum of roots. What is tan A plus tan B? Tan A plus tan B, you should get an idea in your mind that this is A by B plus B by C. Whenever A by B plus B by E is there, according to Pythagoras theorem, C square by AB. So minus should be there and C square. See how many options? Not two. This one, both you verify. AB already AB. That is the verification method. Just 5 seconds are enough by verification. Shall I say 1 second, girl? Right. Completed. Good. Fourth question. Read fourth question. Abdullah.
If A equal to cos 3,
You have that only, students. If A is equal to,
Cos 60 question.
okay, you read. If A means capital A or small a, small a is equal to
cos 3
cos 3,
equal to sin 8,
B equal to sin
8,
8.
then
Okay, good. If A is equal to cos 3 and B is equal to sin 8, yes. Only 3. That meaning you should understand it is a radian, not degree. It is a radian. So, one meaning I said already, one meaning 1 radian. 1 radian meaning 57 degrees 16 minutes. Approximately 60 you think, but whenever you are thinking 60 cos 3 into 180, 60 because cos 180 is become minus 1. Better to try in 57 mode. 3 into 57 how much? 171. No? 171. So A is equal to cos 171. You can understand this is a cos 180 minus 9 degrees. 180 minus 9 degrees. So minus cos theta, it is minus cos 9, keep aside. It is minus cos 9 degree. So what is the value of cos 0, students? 1. The value of cos 0 is 1, known value. What is the value of cos 30? Cos 30 root 3 by 2, 0.866. So it is decreasing value. Maybe approximately you can understand this is minus 0.92. 99991 like this. Keep aside. Now B. Let us discuss about B is equal to sin 8. 8 into 57 you calculate. 8 into 57, 456. So B is equal to sin 456. Sin 456 can be understood as 360 plus something. 456 minus 360, count it. 456 minus 360. So 360 plus 96. So 360 meaning 0. So sin 96 can be understood as sin 90 plus 6. Sin 90 plus 6 becoming cos 6. So cos 6 is positive, this is negative. So this is great. A less than B option is there. Okay, because one is negative and the other is positive. Negative into positive becomes negative. A B less than. That's all. A less than B. Okay, this is positive and this is cos it's simply positive. No need to discuss value. This is negative. So negative into positive becomes negative. Or A less than B also correct option. If this is advanced question, 2 options are right. In advanced, many options are there. 2 options are right. This is mains question. That is why single option is correct. Read question Hema, fifth.
If root 1 minus 7 by 1 plus 7.
Shortcut is there. Root of 1 minus sin a by 1 plus sin a. So is equal to secant a minus. Okay, enough. So A lies in which quadrant? Shortcut is there. Shortcut. In this root model question, first function decides. First function decides. So what is process? You should rationalize. I think you faced this question in 10th class. In 10th class this question is there. Sir, how we should do, sir? Simply rationalize. Rationalize meaning multiply divide the opposite symbol 1 minus sin a by 1 minus sin a. Numerator becomes 1 minus sin a. Denominator becomes cos a. 1 minus sin a by cos a. 1 by cos a minus sin a. Already the value is secant a minus tan a. So what he is asking? A belongs to which quadrant? So A belongs to which quadrant? Secant is whether secant a minus tan a is given. Secant A decides. Secant A is positive in which quadrant? According to all seven becomes.
First quadrant.
That's all. That is the answer. First and fourth. No need to rationalize. Directly you can write. That all I discussed. The shortcut first function decides. Secant first function means secant. Sir, if you are getting 1 plus cos A by 1 minus cos A, you will get cosecant A minus cot A. First function decides. The sum is there. First function decides. Cosecant is positive in which quadrant? First and second. That's all. First and second. So secant A is positive in Q1 comma Q4. Q1 comma Q4. Material changed. See, read 6th question. Good.
If sin theta plus cos theta is equal to n.
Sin theta plus cos theta is equal to m or n? M for money.
M.
Okay.
And secant theta plus cosecant theta is equal to n.
Secant theta plus cosecant theta is equal to n.
Then n into
M minus 1.
n plus 1 into n minus 1.
If sin theta plus cos theta is equal, you will face any question number I have no idea. Same question will be there in our material. Maybe 12 or like this. 9. Sin theta plus cos theta is equal to m and secant theta plus cosecant theta is equal to m. Then m into m plus 1 into m minus 1. What I said, sin, cos, secant, cosecant. Put theta equal to 45. Put theta equal to 40. Students, using shortcuts, so many sums easily you can do. So m becomes root 2 and n becomes root 2. How did you get sin 45 value how much? 1 by root 2, cos 45 value 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 becomes 2 by root 2, 2 by root 2 value root 2. Next, secant theta plus cosecant theta, n also simply put substitute the value 45, secant 45 root 2 plus cosecant 45 root 2, root 2 plus root 2, 2 root 2. This is 2 root 2. Substitute here. That implies you should discuss this one. N, what is the value of n? 2 root 2. M plus 1 meaning root 2 plus 1 into. Of course, directly you can get m square minus 1. A plus b into a minus b concept to m square minus 1. What is the value? M square root 2. Root 2 whole square minus 1 becomes 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is nothing but 2. So 2 root 2 simply. So answer is 2m is there. To see the option 2m. That's all. That is the answer. Without putting shortcut also we can do 1 by sin, 1 by cos and substituting to square. But it is somewhat better. Read Abdullah, a 7th question.
If 1 plus sin x
1 plus.
sin x plus sin x.
Excellent, good start. This is answer bit. Enough. 1 plus sin x plus sin square plus so on until infinity is equal to 4 plus 2 root 3. Then what is the value of sin x? X. Okay. In your material number 10. So 3 sums are different. Sin x plus 1 plus sin x plus sin square plus so on infinity is equal to 4 plus 2 root 3. This is an infinite GP. This is an infinite GP. We have idea about infinite GP S infinity terms. Say n no need n. Do you have S infinity formula? A by 1 minus R if R less than 1. You don't know? So remember, like a formula. A by 1 minus R if R less than 1. A by R if R greater than 1. If R greater than the same formula A by R minus 1. Do you have idea, Mr. Abdullah? In your 10th class there is no formula. Infinity terms A by 1 minus R. no need, no GP. Sn is equal to A into, so I'll remember you. Sn is equal to A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1, R greater than 1. Sn is equal to A into 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R less than 1. Sum of n terms of GP. This is not there. This is not there. This is not. So there is no infinite GP in calculus. Now remember as a formula. Sn is equal to A into 1 minus R power n. Whenever R less than 1, this formula, R greater than this formula. For infinity terms also, A is A by 1 minus R. Sir, why did you write A by 1 minus R? Why you should not write A by R minus 1, you can ask. Here A by R minus 1 also, we can write, you can ask for doubt. We know that minus 1 less than or equal to sin theta less than or equal to 1. Plenty of times we have drawn graph. You take any value, the maximum value of the sine curve is 1 like this. The sine graph is like this. This is 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1 like this. Sine curve is always lie between minus 1 and 1. So that is why you should consider as R when here 1 plus sine x. What is R? Do you know d2 by d1? Sin x by 1 sin square x by sin x like this. Until infinite case, you should understand 1 by A by 1 minus R. This is R less than 1 only because the value of sin theta always less than 1. Now apply S infinity, A meaning 1. 1 by 1 minus sin x is equal to he given as 4 plus 2 root 3. That implies next step you can write as 1 minus sin x is equal to 1 by 4 plus 2 root 3. 1 by 4 plus 2 root 3. Rationalize this letter. 4 minus 2 root 3 by 4 minus 2 root 3 I am multiplying and dividing. It becomes 1 minus sin x is equal to 4 minus 2 root 3 by how much? 4. A plus b into a minus b, a square b square 16, 16 minus 12, 16 minus 12 becomes 4. That implies, now you can understand 1 minus sin x is equal to 1 minus root 3 by 2. How would you say? This 4 can be distributed. 4 by 4 minus 2 root 3 by 4. 4 by 4 becomes 1, 2 root 3 by 4 becomes root 3 by 2. 1 get cancelled, 1 get cancelled, and minus also get cancelled. Sin x is equal to root 3 by 2. For how many degrees? Sin x equal to root 3. X equal to 60. Same point where you are getting root. X equal to 60. I think in the options, not only 60 be there. Another value also given. How? Sin between 0 and 180 sin is positive. That's all. Sin 180 minus theta becomes sin theta. So sin 180 minus 60 also you can write. This one sin 120 is nothing but root 3 by 2. If you are having any doubt, try to understand sin 120 is equal to sin 90 plus 30. It is cos 30 root 3. That's all. Eighth question. Hey students. Eighth question. Boy, you read Abdullah.
Cos square 5 degrees.
Okay, this is the last question today. Cos square 5 degrees plus cos square 10 degrees plus cos square 15 degrees until how much? Until cos square 360 degrees. Students, do you have any idea about AP? Arithmetic progression. What is the arithmetic Tn value in AP? In arithmetic progression, Tn is equal to, I think you have an idea regarding this one, A plus n minus 1 into D. So Tn mean here A is equal to 5. A is equal to 5 degrees and D is equal to 5 degrees. Because 5 to 10 to 15 like that. So Tn is equal to 360 degrees given. So what is the value we don't know. How many values are there we don't know. Cos square 5 1 term, cos square 10 2 terms, so cos square 15 3 terms like that. Cos square 360 which term? 10th, 11th, 8th like that we cannot say. That is why now Tn is equal to 360, you write. Apply the formula a plus n minus 1 into d. 5 plus 5 into n minus 1 is equal to 360. Divide it to 5. It becomes 1 plus n minus 1 is equal to 72 degrees. Dividing this 1 minus 1 got cancelled. N is equal to 72. I should not terms. Here degree terms. 72 terms are there. Now you can remember the formula. If a plus b is equal to 90, if a plus b is equal to 90, then the cos square a plus cos square b is equal to 1. Today we have discussed the formula. So why you are thinking, sir, this 5 is there, maybe 85 exists. 85 exists in between. 10 is there, maybe 80 exists. Understood? 15 is there, maybe 75 exists. Like that, how many terms are there? How many? 2 terms becoming 1. Are you able to understand? 5 is there now, then 85 should be there. So 5 plus 85 becomes 90, the value becoming 1. And 10 is there, 10 and 80 is 90, there is a second. So next like this, 10, 15, 75 also should be there. So how many 2 members? So for 2 letters we are getting 1 value. So 72 are there. So how much you can get the value? For 2 pairs, for 2 values you are getting a pair. 72 terms are there. 72 terms I am writing. 72 terms can be understood as 36 pairs. Could not understand 36 pairs. So value 36. You see the option. Value 36. Okay, students, objective have started today. Tomorrow onwards, the class will be in 50 minutes. Try to understand, not like this 30 minutes class. Tomorrow onwards, the class will be 50 minutes. This week, complete I will say objective. In next week, I will handle 1B mathematics. Let us wait in tomorrow class.